Welcome to Ahmadiyya Muslim College virtual classroom. Year 12 History. Dear students, today we are going to learn about Fiji's relationship with other nations of the world and the diplomacy in Fiji. Unit 1, Fiji and international relations. The objectives of this particular lesson is that at the end of the lesson you will be able to define diplomacy, and at the same time you will be able to introduce Fiji's relationship with the world. Now, what is diplomacy? Confusing, isn't it? It is the practice of conducting negotiations between nations in a peaceful manner. For example, the Prime Minister of Fiji having a meeting with the Prime Minister of Australia. Why do you think such relationships are important? Let us think about it. Diplomatic relationship is important because countries help each other with aid, with tourism, with import export, with education, and there are many other things in which they help countries grow. Fiji is already receiving so many help from other countries of the world. Fiji's relationship with the world. Fiji is a small nation, but it has relationships with superpowers or like India and USA. Not only this, Fiji has more relationships. Um, for example, Fiji has relationships with 13 other large and small neighbors of the Pacific, large neighbors such as Australia and New Zealand, and superpowers like China and the ones that I had mentioned earlier on. Fiji also deals with giant corporations such as International Rugby Board. These are very large organizations, United Nations, um, World Wildlife Fund, Red Cross, World Bank, and World Council of Churches. Who manages the international relationship? It is managed by Ministry of Foreign Affairs, um, and it also does the signatory role. That means signing of international laws such as treaties, agreements, and conventions. Informal relationships, there are a lot of informal relationships also that is kept in order for certain benefits. So there are also informal relationships outside of government to government links. These include volunteer, charity, aid, and friendship groups that visit Fiji to carry out small local projects. Regional organizations membership. Fiji is also a member of two very important regional organizations, the Pacific Forum and the Melanesian Spearhead Group. These are two very large organizations which exist in the Pacific, and Fiji is a member of that. Finally, boys and girls, Fiji appears on the map of the world to be a separate alien nation from its neighbors. It is also a long distance from Europe, USA, and other hotspots. However, despite all this, it has links to the largest countries of the world. Fiji practices high level of diplomacy. So this basically introduces diplomacy to you, and I hope you have got an idea as to what diplomacy is. Thank you and stay safe, boys and girls. Please keep doing the worksheets and Do read your notes and do not hesitate to contact me if there are any doubts. More lessons will be uploaded shortly, and you will be able to enjoy learning through video lessons and through these doodle lessons. Um, and I hope you are within your safe within your family bubble and you're not moving around.